So in here, we having a reference to customer service, then we pass it into this constructor. So as you see earlier, it would not work. But if I change to new customer service, if I remove the parameter in here and rerun again, go back to the browser, and then I reload the page. So you can see here it's also work. But the thing is, when you write in code within Swing and Swing Boot, yeah, you should not write in code like this. That's a bad practice in here. We must use dependency when we have a chance to do. So for this case, let's add the customer service, and then this customer service equal to customer service. So but this is not done because in the back end, we need to tell Swing to understand this customer service is injected into this controller via the constructor. Let's go to the customer service and mark as in the class is service annotation here. And in this time, string will know this class is a bin object, and then string will instantiate and manage for us. Also, auto inject this bin to any place we reference to. And in this case is customer controller. Now, if I restart again, so you can see here we don't have any error again. Let's go back to the browser and reload the page. So you can see that it's also work for us. So now we actually perform this customer into this layer in here, and we have the customer controller already talk to the service successfully. And the last one we want to set up is repository layer in here. But before element this layer, we need some job to do is set up a Postgres database running on Docker. And the second one is we need to add some dependency, which is Postgres CDBC driver and Swing Data CBA. And the third one, we need to set up the customer repository element CBA repository in here to perform the data asset in here. And the last one is the data source configuration from our application to provide the URL, username, and a password, and other as well to able connect to this database. And I will explain all of this in the second. Next, let's go one by one. But firstly, let's set up this Postgres database up and running.